What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Toyota Smart Key remote fob. So this key fob is going to be for the Toyota vehicles that have a push button start ignition. It's going to be one of the options. There's a couple different ones. And this key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The first thing we need to do to change the battery is to remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button on the side, and the key will slide out like that. Now, if you notice, this key has a little bit of a lip on it. And if we take a look at the bottom of the fob, near where we pulled it out of, we see this slot right here. What we're going to do is put it in that slot and then just twist it like this, like we're opening a lock. So put it in that slot, make sure you have it all the way pushed in, and then twist, and it'll pop the shell apart. And if the circuit board stays in the back like this one did, you can kind of use the lip of the key just to help get it out. A lot of times it'll just end up sitting in the back like this once you open it. But we see our battery right here. Can use the key to get under the edge of the battery and get it out. And we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Plus side up like that. Go ahead and snap that into place. Then make sure this is all sitting in there properly, that rubber piece and the circuit board. And then you can snap the two halves back together. Put our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.